Look at this. The birds and I are having lunch. They're having a little bit of rice, potato chips, and a piece of bread from my peanut butter sandwich. Look at that, huh? They love potato chips. And Foggy, he has a mouthful of rice. See? He just loves rice. And she loves potato chips. Hear the crunching? See? Look, see? She'll eat a piece of potato chip. It's so funny. Here, honey. See? She loves potato chips. Foggy, you have a mouthful of rice. You're so funny. Our budgie just got done trying a piece of rice. Guess he likes it. Cockatiels are sharing a piece of rice. And potato chips right here. They made their own little mess. Come here, King. Come here, baby. There you go. Ruby. Easy. Oh, he doesn't seem intimidated by her. That's good. Ruby, you be nice, okay? You be nice to the birdie. He decided to join us. Little King, he's munching on a little potato chip. He's not really into the rice. Not quite yet. It's cute. Having lunch with the birdies. Ruby's joining. I'm just keeping an eye on her so she won't intimidate the birds. Look at that, huh? Yummy, yummy. Oh, look, he's going to eat some rice. Oh, you like some rice? Good boy. Yummy, huh? Ruby, get your nose down. You're going to intimidate the birds. See? Cayenne's very intimidated. Foggy, he doesn't seem to mind Ruby that much. Look at this. Birds and a human.